Do you struggle with the idea of hosting Thanksgiving because your kitchen is a disorganized mess? Well, you're in luck because today, 'tis the season to organize kitchen cabinets, and we're talking about it here today on Get Organized with Jodi. Hi, I'm Jodi Granok. I'm a certified professional organizer with over 15 years in the field. And Thanksgiving is one of my favorite holidays, and we host Thanksgiving every year. And I know it could be a lot of work. And so, what you want to make sure that you have working for you is an organized kitchen, especially when it comes to your kitchen cabinets. So, with Thanksgiving right on the horizon at the making of this video, I thought I would give you the perfect weekend project, which is to spruce up your kitchen cabinets, get everything organized or reorganized so that you are ready to host a beautiful Thanksgiving this year. When you organize your kitchen cabinets, you are going to save time, reduce stress, and maximize space. And if this is the type of cabinet that you're starting out with, that is not helpful for holiday meals or really any time of year. So let's fix it. First, you need to have a large surface area available so that you can review the contents of all your kitchen cabinets. So if you've got kitchen table, if you've got space on your kitchen counters, or you might want to use the nearby dining room table like this picture so that you could take everything out and review. Now, once you've emptied your kitchen cabinets, you want to look at all the items and think about, have you ever used this item? Are you not using it anymore because it's broken or chipped or scratched or you just don't need it anymore? Is it something that you do use, but you only use it a few times a year? What you want to do is group like-minded items together so that food prep can be easier and storage of the food prep and the items you use to make the food, all those things can be more efficient and functional. So, as you're looking at all of the items that you've taken out of the cabinets, figure out whether they should be donated, whether they're no good for anybody and should be pitched, or if space is at a premium in your kitchen, if you only use it a few times a year, consider putting it into seasonal storage that might not even be in your kitchen at all. Now, as you're looking through the contents of your kitchen cabinets, I want you to be aware and beware that there are some common kitchen cabinet clutter culprits. What are those things? Plastic cups, water bottles, coffee cups, food storage containers. I did a whole video on this, and you may want to click up here to watch that video. But the bottom line is that if you can cull down your collection of these type of items, you're going to increase how much storage space you have. If you are finding that you don't have enough room in your kitchen cabinets, this might be a quick and easy fix just by paring down some of these categories of items. You also want to look for items that can maximize your cabinet space. So when we talk about food storage containers in particular, there are types of food storage containers like the one you see on the right that can really save space as opposed to having miscellaneous ones like the photo on the left. And again, I did a video all about this that you can click here in the upper right-hand corner and check that out as well. Perhaps changing your food storage containers might be on your holiday shopping list this year. Once you've gone through all the items in your kitchen cabinets and you've pared things down and you've gotten rid of things you don't want anymore and you've moved things into holiday storage to make more room in your kitchen and you go back to reloading things into the kitchen cabinets, think about the location of each cabinet and what's going to make the most sense to store in each one. So, where's the best place for pots and pans? And where is the best place for cups and plates? And where is the best place for food storage containers? And so on. Think about that, and it will also help so that you're not running back and forth through the kitchen when you're trying to make food or put food away. So that's it. I've given you a fun homework assignment, I know, but I know you can do it. I encourage you to visit organizingmagic.com for more organizing resources, including our free e-newsletter and information about our monthly Zoom webinars, which are also free. And remember that new videos drop every Friday, so be in the know and click like and subscribe before you go so you never miss a single video. I'll see you next time.